There's so many things to say, but I don't even know which one to touch on. What's up, homie? You eyeing a sizing me. I know, you're supposed to make it as natural as possible, but...
It's a new year and a new day. I bought new gear, pull you near, blow your ear. Brand new sound, move over man. Understand, I'm taking your shine, making it mine. You be just fine. Make a few demos while I'm in the limo. I made a few stars, they bought a few cars. It's my turn now, I'm telling you cuz, take over. I'm telling you cuz, you say my name, I'm taking your day. Don't be mad at me, no, it's destiny. She said yes to me.
The ill treatment that you give me, you don't hurt me. My name is Deeds. I believe your girl's gonna love it, spending time with me. Baby on your knees, suck on these, yeah. Spend a little time, then when you surprise, give you a little shine. Bet you take what's mine, give your girl the smile of mine. Now she's on my line, why?
I feel like just kicking it and moving and sticking it. I really don't know how I'm feeling. I'm feeling so crazy, so lazy. I could be just humming it like
bow down, 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 nigga, when we come through. Third mind, KBE, oof, what a combination. Confused by the sound, got you saying wow. Hey, banda, ija, ja, ja. Hot nemesis, thinking out loud. Fuck you, P. Well, fuck you too. BDP, the government, but not for long. The money back. No more spotlight, don't tell me light. Man.
Third mind, back to catch your lifeline. Those busy tryna learn my grind. News for you can never read my mind. Leave you to wonder like Stevie, you blind. To the one nigga that can glow in the dark and light up the night with one little spark. The powers of the sun, I'm wise. The sacrifice I made for the game, I fought you a smile. I made to break niggas claiming bigger figures. Figure this out, we bout to knock you out. KB, let them know and break it down.
I feel like just kicking it and moving and sticking it. I really don't know how I'm feeling. I'm feeling so crazy, so lazy. I could be just humming it like
We got the sound that's loved all around. Third mind driving all niggas wild. Hold the town, pull it to the ground. Busy tryna fuck me from the back. I see, I state my statement clearly for you to understand me, not to underestimate me. I'ma keep it proper till the day I die.
Yeah, you know I came back just to annoy you. Put you in a box and play you like I told you. Shut you down quick like sports cafe. You man, I just love it when things go my way. Somebody but to get crushed to little bits. You know who you are. I feel just like kicking you. I feel so crazy lately. I feel just like kicking you.
I feel like just kicking it and moving and sticking it. I